Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to upload an existing Jupyter Notebook file, import the dataset, and run the code step by step. If we are working on machine learning, data science, or any Python projects, this tutorial will help us to get started quickly. So let's begin. So first of all, we have to go to window button and search for Anaconda. Search for Anaconda, click on this Anaconda navigator button. A pop-up like this will be open. Okay, and then search for Jupyter Notebook here. Click on this launch button, and then a home page of the Jupyter Notebook will be open like this. Okay, and from here you can upload the IPYNB file and any data set. Like here, if we want to upload this IPYNB file or this Jupyter Notebook file, we can click on this and open it. Okay, this will be uploaded here. If you can see, this is uploaded now. Okay, and then if we want to upload any data set, we can upload the data set from here only. Okay, and click on this bank.csv dataset and click on this open button. Dataset will be open here. Okay, if you can see, this is open. This is uploaded now. Okay, and if you want to open this, just click on this once. It will open in a new tab. Okay, so this is the simple steps how we can upload the IPYNB file and the dataset. Okay, and if we want to run the cell, if we want to run any cell, what we have to do first, we have to go to any cell. Like here, we have to go to this first cell. Okay, and click shift enter, press shift enter on the keyboard, or just click on this run button to run the cell. If you can see here, the cell is currently in the process of execution. It means the cells are executed. The cells is executing, and this number has been popped up here. It means the cells is executed. Okay, if you want to run this, just click on Shift Enter on the keyboard. Press, press. Okay, if you can see, it is going to next cell by running the previous cell. Okay, just click on this Shift Enter, Shift Enter, Shift Enter. And if you want to run all the cell at once, just click on this restart button, click on this restart, and all cell will be executing at once only. If you can see, this asterisk mark is showing the cell is currently executing. Okay, all the cells are executing in this code. Okay, we can see here that these cells are executed, these cells are executed. Yeah, till 20, till 21, 22, 25, 28, 31, all cells are executed. This cells is executing. Okay, so that's all for this tutorial. In this video, we have known that how to upload IPYNB file, how to add the dataset, how to run the Jupyter Notebook successfully. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you guys.